Welcome. In this lecture, we'll talk about creating a presentation from a template or a theme. Sometimes this plain, boring, blank canvas can be very overwhelming. It's daunting to have to see this big white slide and not just fill it in with content, but with eye-pleasing design. For this, PowerPoint gives us themes. Themes are ready-made presentation designs with pre-built graphics, borders, and fonts. There's no pre-built content, but the content placeholders are all there. To create a presentation using a theme, on the Home ribbon, I'll go ahead and click on File. I'll click New. And then this is the screen in which we used to create our blank presentation in prior lectures. But now, let's go ahead and choose a theme. And PowerPoint 2016 gives us about 20 themes to look at. And you can even look online for more if you find one that you don't see here that you like. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a theme, find one that I like. How about Vapor Trail? Vapor Trail is one that's kind of associated with my name. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. Now there's a few things that we can see when I choose a theme that we like. The first thing is that we get some choices of color variants. These are pre-built color variants, and we'll show you how we can make your changes later. The second thing we do is we choose a color variant. I'll go ahead and choose this one, is to see more images. I can browse through all the various content layouts that it has. So if I find one that I like this one, I'll go ahead and click inside. So the content placeholders, and go ahead and add my title. Go ahead and click create. I'll go ahead and add my title and say maybe the best hospitals. And then I'll go ahead and click here and add a subtitle. And maybe I'll say hospital locations and clinics locations. And then this text, like any other text, I can go ahead and shade it. And then I can go ahead and change the color, change to a nice purple. I can also go ahead and center that if I'd like. And then here for the locations of the hospitals and clinics, I can also go ahead and center that and as well. And then as you see, this also has a spell checker. I saw that I spelled locations wrong there. So, and then from our design tab, this here is where we get our different themes as well, our themes, and then our color variants and so forth. As we hover over the different ones, you'll notice how, the slide changes and how different themes are associated. And as far as variants, then if we hover over those, you get an idea of how things are going to change. You can always also select colors and go down and change the array of colors as well. So, another thing I'd like to show you is that, the templates are great. I'd like to use a template. Maybe let's go out here and search for another new template. Say I want to look at awards, maybe a template for awards. So I'm going to click in here and click the word awards. And I'm going to do my search. And basically what it's going to do is it's going to search online for any templates that are associated with being awards or certificates. So I'm going to click this one here. I kind of like this one. I'm going to go ahead and create it. Now, if you notice, this one has my pre-built-in text, which I kind of like that. It's a certificate of completion that acknowledges that the best student. I'll go ahead and put the name here. you guys are the best students and that you have successfully completed the Excellence in HCA 105. And I think the date that we complete this course will be sometime in April 2017. And so I kind of like this. I like the idea of PowerPoint having these templates that are available to us. I like the themes, the various themes that you can change it to. So, and then this only comes with one slide, and that's all we need for this certificate. Now we can choose File, and then I can do a Save As. I can save this in Module 10, and then I can call this maybe completion or something. I'll go ahead and save it. Now, whenever I need it, I can simply open the file. I can come back in here, change the name, and then I have a brand new certificate to give to a new best student. So that's a quick overview of how you can create a presentation from a template or a theme.